Haven't you wondered how deep are oceans? There are lots of oceans, and I'm going to tell you more about the Pacific Ocean. Do you want to know the location of the Pacific Ocean? Well, it is located on the west. Isn't it cool? The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. Isn't this amazing? The average depth of the Pacific Ocean is 35,827 feet, 10,920 miles. Did you know the Pacific Ocean means peaceful sea in Portuguese? Well, now you know it. It means peaceful sea. My last thought is that I think the Pacific Ocean is the best ocean ever made.